Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. It's the 1st of August, Emancipation Day. Big up on yourself, people. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. Yeah, tough thing to do. Unless you break yourself out of the matrix. No, that's a term that a lot of people don't really understand, but it's actually facts. Anyways, when I go touch upon that, we're going to speak on two players. We're going to speak on Trivante Stewart and Rumarn Burrell. Big up on yourself, people. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Massively appreciated. Don't know, without you guys, this channel would mean nothing. Alright, so big up on yourself, people. So Rumarn Burrell, new move to a new club, moving from League One to the Championship, which I believe is a very good move for the youngster. Now, let's get into that. I'm also going to touch on Trivante Stewart scoring his first goal for his new club. Alright, so hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you're here for the first time, would thoroughly appreciate it. QPR signs Jamaican striker Burrell from Burton. The QPR Rangers of Queen's Park Rangers have signed Jamaica international Rumarn Burrell from League One, Burton Albion. The 24-year-old striker spent 12 months with the Brewers in League One, netting 11 goals in all competitions last season to help them avoid relegation. Burrell initially started out with Grimsby before joining Middlesbrough, age 18, and having a loan spell with Bradford and Kilmarnock. My apologies on that. The striker joined Falkirk 3 years ago, scoring 12 goals in all competitions before moving to Cove Rangers in the Scottish third tier, where he was on a target 24 times to earn his move to Burton. I'm very proud and grateful to be here. This is what Burrell told the club website. It's a great opportunity to showcase what I can do. It's a step up, but I'm ready. The fee has been revealed as undisclosed, but BBC Derby Sport understand it's just over £1 million. Big move for the youngster. And it's a good look. It's a really good look. And you have to just cast your mind back to his performance in the Unity Cup. He had a really good Unity Cup. That was it when he had his debut for the national team. And also moving on to the Gold Cup. Now, maybe we could get a little bit more where that is concerned, but nevertheless he came and he showcased what he can do in the World Cup qualifiers, Unity Cup. He definitely showcased that he has the quality to play at a higher level than League One, and we have seen now a club decide that, you know what, let's take a chance on him and we'll see how that one materializes. He's a very good striker, very prolific striker, quite clinical actually. Still raw, a lot to learn. A lot to learn and add to his game, but most definitely a good addition to the QPR team. And I do believe that they would enjoy seeing him scoring goals for them. Now let's get on to the next player, which is Trivante Stewart, scoring his first goal for Maccabi Haifa, which is a really good goal, I have to say. Brilliant movement from Trivante Stewart in the Europa Conference League in actually the qualifying rounds, defeating Torpedo, Bellas, just a Torpedo, got Bellas, you know thing already. Anyway, they defeated Torpedo and aggregate 4-1, and Trivante definitely had netting his goal in that one. He did came on though in the first leg, not a lot of minutes, but this time around got more minutes and he scored his goal for it. Relatively good appearances so far. It's a good look that after making that huge transfer with a big fee associated with him, that the club is decided that, you know what, we're gonna keep on build him in, move him into the first team, into game mode, and just as his second game, finding back at the net, that would have given the club, more so the manager, a bit of confidence that yes, you purchased me for a reason. This reason is to score goal, and I'm already contributing to that and verifying the money that the club has spent on me. So it's a really good look where Trivante is concerned. He has done a lot. This is a tremendous journey, a very, very good journey for Trivante Stewart. Now take his time. Bill going forward from here. Made a huge move to Serie A from the JPL. And obviously, it was just maybe too much of a big jump for him. But sometimes in life, you have to step. And I did say it when he made the move from Salernitana. I did say that sometimes in life, you have to make a step back to move forward. That's just how life is. Sometimes you have to step back to learn and understand where you are, what you're trying to do. And that could definitely be the case where Trivante is concerned, because you'd have seen now where his steps are, the steps that he's taking incrementally are very, very positive, and it's a good look for the player. Hopefully, he continues on this trajectory, and certainly may find himself back into the national setup in due course. Obviously, now we have a lot of players now in Europe who are doing well and who are knocking the door back for us are looking in the national setup. And it's really good look that this is going to create an headache for the technical staff in selecting that setup. And that's a good look. That's what we want. That we want a competitive edge. We want that huge pool of selection where it makes it very difficult for the coach to say, let's go with him, let's go this player, let's go that player. And it's going to be quite interesting. It's going to be quite interesting. Oh, my apologies. Small update. I shouldn't do this already. Small update. Michail Antonio scored 2 goals in his preseason friendly. I think I'm gonna do a video on this separately. Let me see if I can find it. Preseason friendly. But he's actually playing with the youth setup. Trying to work himself back into into the first. Well, technically, I'm with some kind of part. Yes, so maybe just this right now, what we're seeing right now is just for him to get himself back sharp, get back match fitness. So before the transfer window end, he might find himself in another club, which would be a really good step, really good step for him. And I hope it works out for his best. So congrats, Michail Antonio, to get back on your foot and now scoring goals again, which we know you love to do. And hopefully that next big club or next club steps up and you can get that move that you solely desire to finish off your career on a high. So big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much again. Oh, big up yourself again, Trivante. Go on, put in the work. Hopefully the hard work prevail at some point and we might see you back in the national setup. Big up on yourself, people. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Tell us what you think in the comment section. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless. Boom. Outside.